How to delete your Facebook account. Hi, in this video, I will guide you how to fully delete your Facebook account. You can apply this guide in Android phone or iOS phone. First, open your Facebook app. Tap the hamburger icon in the right side of your Facebook. Depending on the phone, it will be on the top right side of the screen or the bottom right. Scroll down to the bottom and tap the settings and privacy. And tap the settings. Check the account section and tap the personal and account information and tap the account ownership and control and tap the deactivation and deletion and after that tap delete account and then continue to account deletion. In this section, Facebook will ask you if you have a problem using your account, and they might help you to stay in Facebook. But if you really decided to delete your account, you can proceed by tapping continue to account deletion. In here, you can check some stuff before you delete your account. You can keep Messenger up if you just deactivate instead of deleting your account. You can save your post into archive. You can download your information, transfer your information, and review apps that you are logged into. If you want to continue, just tap delete account. And you need to confirm your account by entering your password. In here, you need to confirm that you want to delete your account. Just tap the delete account. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, turn on notification bell, and subscribe for more updates.